Hi, my name is Jay Jenkins and this is Pearson Education's video on how to import items into your mastering course. You can do this in your standard mastering course or inside of your modified mastering course. The process is the same. The import items actually allows you to import a Word document of multiple choice questions or essay questions directly into your course so that they can then be administrated by the mastering program in an assignment and automatically graded. Unless it's an essay question, of course, and then you would have to grade that manually, but all multiple choice questions can be imported to be graded on their own. So in order to import items into your mastering course, you would want to go to the item library, and you would click here, and then from here you'd scroll down until you see import items, and from here you click on import items, and what you'll want to do is bring up a file from your desktop computer or laptop. So you would choose your file. If you need to know how to prepare your file, which is very important, you can click on the Learn More About Preparing Files. Basically, if you take any type of Word, Google Doc, or a WordPad type question, as long as you can save it to the RTF format, which is a rich text format. Notice it says RTF right here. As long as you can save it as an RTF, then you can import it into mastering for grading, and we list out exactly how it should look. We'll see here. I have a document that I've already converted. It was originally a Word document, and I took it and I just created the formatting for it by just putting the number, the question, you put the answer choices, you highlight the answer that is correct by putting an asterisk next to it. And so this is, once it's done, I saved it as a RTF, so I click Save As, and then I would put it wherever I want it to be, in like my Downloads folder, and then I would make sure it is an RTF by searching for RTF, and once I do that I would save it. I've already saved it, so I'm not going to do that now. And so once it's saved and it's ready to be put into the course, I will grab that, put that away. Then you can actually go back and choose File. So let's choose the file. I'm going to choose it out of my Downloads again, and we're going to choose this one right here. We'll look for the RTF version. Once I click on that RTF version, it shows it in my Choose File. I can then click Import. The process may take a few minutes, but it will basically import all of those items that you want to create inside of your course, and in a moment we'll show you what that looks like. Here you'll see once the system has imported the items from the document that we have 43 multiple choice items and we have one open-ended item. We can then go through and we could specify which chapter we want these to actually show up in. So these are actually no chapters, so I'm just going to say no chapter specified. But I could go in and change those. Also later we'd be able to change them as well. And I'm going to click Save. Now in order to find those items, I'm going to close my filter up here, and I'm going to go to No Chapter Specified, make sure in the drop-down list that's what's located, and then you'll notice these are my personal items, and so these are all the items that I have now imported into the course. So we see the Bio T5050 problem set right here, and this means that it's a item that I created, and it's also mobile friendly. And then when I click on it, I can actually go in and look at that particular item, and I can now use that in any assignment that I'd like. So I can add this item to any assignment that I wish. You can also go in and edit the individual items and update the section. So if I wanted this to be in Chapter 3, I could. If I wanted it to be Chapter 3.2, I could do that and click Save. So this is how you can go ahead and import items from a Word document that you've already created. You could also go into our TestGen program and create a test that's multiple choice and make it a Word document and then save it as an RTF and import items that way as well. So I hope this was useful, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you very much.